Hello, I'm Doug Scheel. I'm a network engineer at Com Solutions, and today I'm going to introduce you to the ShoreTel 930D DECT wireless handset. So what is DECT anyway? DECT, in this case, is the ISM band between 1920 and 1930 megahertz, well below both the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz spectrums. And so why did ShoreTel choose to build a DECT handset instead of a Wi-Fi handset? Well, the short version is, because DECT is not a Wi-Fi band, means that this phone system can be implemented alongside an existing WLAN infrastructure without creating any interference for your 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz wireless users. This also means that IT departments are freed from the hassle and expense of trying to integrate wireless phones into their existing wireless infrastructure. So let's talk about the 930D itself. It consists of a handset. You'll also need at least one base station, like this one I have here. You can see it's fairly slender. It has some mounting holes in the back for wall mounting, and a stand on the bottom for just sitting it on top of a desk. And your system may also include some repeaters, which extend the range. Speaking of range, the range varies from about 300 meters in open space down to about 50 meters in a typical office deployment per ShoreTel. That means you can cover an average size office pretty nicely with just the base stations, but where we need to, we can also include repeaters and chain them to a base station to give you more range.
Some of the features you'll find on the 930D that you won't find on a typical DECT handset include up to 3 programmable line appearances, your current call handling mode, missed calls, and voicemail notifications. And you're even able to change your call handling mode from the handset by pressing the Mode soft key and then selecting the appropriate call handling mode. You also have access to the system directory by pressing the menu key and scrolling through, selecting directory, and picking a number to dial.
If you know the extension of the person you want to reach, you may...
And you can even intercom, park calls, unpark calls, and pick up calls from other extensions, all from this handset.
This sleek, easy to use, easy to lose handset comes with a detachable belt clip. It has a headphone jack for hands-free operation. It does not include Bluetooth, I should note that, but it does have a very usable speakerphone. The backlit keypad is familiar and reminiscent of a cell phone. It includes the 3 soft keys that we talked about, a directional pad, a select button, call pickup, call hang-up, the menu key, number keys, as well as voicemail key and some function keys at the bottom. Like the phone itself, the charging base is slender and attractive, and doesn't take up much room on the desk. And that wraps up our brief introduction to the ShoreTel 930D DECT wireless handset. For more information, or to schedule an on-site demo, visit us at www.comsolutions.com. Thanks for watching.